So, you want to learn about the syntax of Arduino. It's one of the most important parts when you're writing the code, um, and your code will return errors if you have the wrong syntax. So, it can be frustrating, but the computer will only do what it's told to do, so it's your error, really. So, every line must end in a semicolon. Now, if you don't know what that is, a semicolon is this thing at the end of lines like here. So every line, well, most lines have to end in a semicolon. Some exceptions are if you are in, say, before the setup loop, defining a pin, such as hashtag define, like LED 1, you don't put a semicolon after that. So then camel case is another thing, such as digital write, like here, this is camel case. Digital write, here's some other camel case, digital read. It's another big part of Arduino. A lot of other languages have it as well. So then there's functions, which is a way to recall previously written code that's written by someone else. And you need to have arguments in the bracket, such as here. Here is an example of a function. If state equals high, well, that's a loop. Here's a function, digital read 2. So we're reading a digital pin, and it's digital pin 2, and you've got to have that argument in there. Back over to the website. So arguments are how the compiler knows what you want the function to do. If you don't have, say, 3 low in there, it's going to return an error because you're telling the compiler to write a pin to do something, but it doesn't know what pin, it doesn't know what you want it to do. Say you were to put digital write 3 in there, it's still going to return an error because you've told it what pin you want, but you haven't told it what you want that pin to do. If you put digital write high in there, it's also going to return an error because you've told it what you want a pin to do, but not what pin. So, just a few things. Hope you're enjoying the tutorials and have fun. Hope you learn something new. See ya.